Uriel Isaac, Section Allen, BSN 1. Vision. We envision ourselves to be the leading Catholic educational institution forming holistic person through globalized academic performance and services for nation building. Mission. We commit ourselves to espouse Catholic educational that foster inclusivity and innovation for total formation of a person, embrace globalized standards of leadership in governance, instruction, research, and community extension that transform the person, the society, and engineer a counter-centralized curriculum that is on par with international standard and world-class services that enable globally immersed and empowered students.